Laughingstock.
Short clips.
Yeah, our final game is, once again, we're going to need two of you lovely people to come on up and help us out. We have one over there. Come on up. And who else? Who else? I see another. You in the back. Come on up here. Give it up for them. Give it up for them. Making their way. So this is a game called Audience Sound Effects. Hello, what's your name? Veronica. Veronica, give it up for Veronica. What's your name, man? You're just going to... Philip. Philip and Veronica, thank you so much. Todd and Evan are going to be doing a scene, and the whole time it's up to Veronica and Steven. No. Fill up. Nice try. And this young gentleman here, they're going to be doing the sound effects for the entire scene. So if they're like, so let's just practice, Veronica. If I'm closing a door, here we go. Closing a door.
It's a water door.
And this young gentleman over here, if I was starting my car, what would that sound like? Oh, that's it.
That's solid. That's solid.
Fantastic. So for Todd and Evan, they just need an activity with a lot of steps. What's like it takes a weekend to complete?
Build a toy house.
Building a tree house. Building a tree house. Here we go.
I think we have to hammer harder than that.
Blam!
Not that hard. It's not a photograph, it's a nail and you have a hammer.
Why don't you give it a shot?
Let me drop these boards first. Down these escalators. There they go. All right, fine.
Sorry.
Pick it up, pick it up. It's one of those new dancing hammers.
Oh, you mean like MC Hammer? Yeah. All right, you hammer. I'll use this screwdriver.
Here we go.
Well, we need to put some oil on this screwdriver.
I think I'm gonna not have to
Oh,
hit
yeah,
on the
oil.
air. Oh, here we go.
Still out of oil. I have 3 oil cans.
Wait. I think we might be using the wrong building material for this house. Listen to this.
Sounded like a horse county. Well, I'm out of oil, so I'm just going to spit on it.
Yeah. You know what?
One more for good measure.
Oh, God.
Swallowed it.
I'm starting to think it was this hammer. I'm going to see what would happen if I use my jackhammer.
Oh.
First, I'm going to...
Yeah.
Hey, somebody in that treehouse, get out of there!
It's not just a bird. That's just a bird. It's okay.
Yeah, all right. I'm going to plug it in first. Okay, I stab the mouse. Sorry, little buddy.
I'll put a Band-Aid on it.
Ah, I love silent band-aids.
I turned it into a monkey.
Improv. We'll be performing this second Saturday at Coffee Underground. Now stick around for the awards ceremony.